Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. You want more information about how does a dog become pregnant? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how does a dog become pregnant is www.vetinfo.com. See the page titled How long after having puppies does a female dog bleed? This is the link. You can also try www.catbee.org, especially the page How to Become a Hacker. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-rank site womenshealthnews.wordpress.com. The web page How do you not know you're pregnant? Women's Health. Here's the link.